Have you ever had a nightly cramp in your leg? Why they happen and how to stop them? Muscle cramps are a very common problem. All people have suffered or will have some cramp throughout their life. However, for many it is a chronic affection. Beyond fatigue, cramps can have a more serious and even serious root. A cramp is an involuntary contraction of a muscle or a group of them. It manifests through a sharp pain, of medium to strong intensity, and causes a hardening in the area. Most people suffer from this contraction when the muscle becomes fatigued or dehydrated after a hard workout. In other people, this problem is much more recurrent and without an apparent cause. The pains become more frequent during the night, forcing the patient to wake up, get up and walk. This, in turn, causes problems of sleep and rest. The nocturnal muscular cramps have another particularity: the majority of the people who suffer them lead a sedentary daily life. Both sexes are prone to suffer from them, although the odds increase after age 50. Why do muscle cramps occur? How to avoid them? Although the causes that can cause nocturnal cramps are varied, there are certain factors directly related and some medical conditions that favor their appearance. 1. Factors related to muscle cramps. Stand for a long time, in a nearly static position. The concrete floor can make the picture worse. On demand of the muscles of the legs. Sit for an extended period of time in an improper position. 2. Medical conditions that favor the appearance of cramps: Parkinson's, alcoholism, dehydration, pregnancy, neuromuscular problems. By consuming diuretics or statins, medication to lower cholesterol in the blood, problems in the structure of the body, flat feet, poor posture, etc. Endocrine diseases. How to prevent them? 1. Keep the body well hydrated. 2. Drink 2 liters of water daily and increase the dose if you train or suffer a very hot day. 3. Maintain a diet rich in magnesium, potassium and calcium, as the deficiency in these minerals usually trigger pictures of muscle cramps. 4. Place heat in the most affected area. Use thermal pads or have a bag of hot water always ready when going to sleep. 5. Consume horse chestnut to improve blood circulation. 6. Try alternative therapies like acupuncture or reflexology. 7. Try to wear comfortable shoes and avoid heels. 8. Practice stretching exercises before going to sleep.